Hey, it's Tyrone Jackson from Wealthy Investor Trade School, WITradeschool.com, giving you another hot educational video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to double your money. That's right, double your money in the stock market. Hey, if you're here on YouTube, make sure you subscribe to this channel. That way you get my educational videos as soon as they come out. All right, let's talk about doubling your money in the stock market. We're going to start off today with a stock like Microsoft. This is a 5-year chart of Microsoft. Notice the stock is overall upward trending. If you're one of these people who likes to buy stocks that are on a downward trend, you're never going to double your money in the stock market. But since Microsoft is in a strong upward trend, largely because of its cloud services, that makes it a perfect trade for us. So follow me here so you get to know this double your money formula. What we're going to do is we're going to buy Microsoft at $55.40. Now, I'm actually recording this video while the market is jumping up and down. Therefore, this price is going to change. So if I bought on 100 shares here, would I be willing to sell a call option to someone I don't know, taking guaranteed money from the stock market? Yes. So if the stock is at $51.40, could I sell a 52 strike call option 30 days out? Yes, here's the stock. Here's the 52 strike call. What am I doing? I'm selling the right to someone I don't know to buy the stock away from me to make guaranteed money. And if you look right here in the bid column, I've highlighted this for you. I'm going to make $1.27 per share just for selling the 52 strike. This is why you must learn how to become a cover call writer, because it produces guaranteed money. Now look at the result here. Okay, we're going to purchase these shares of Microsoft, sell the 52 strike against 100 shares. We're going to take in T plus one, trading day plus one, $127 profit. But if I were doing the same transaction with 1,000 shares, I'd take in $1,270 in profit. This is why you want to learn how to cover call right first. That needs to be your next trade, so you can go and get this money from the market every week or every month if you're selling these call options on a monthly basis. Now, what can we do with this money? We can put this money that the market gives us to work. So I want to show you something, because this is a very interesting double your money pattern. Had you known me, or had we known each other 5 years ago, you would have known that it was time to purchase Time Warner Cable, TWC. Right? Now, look down here very carefully with me. Notice around here the stock is around $62 a share. This is cheating, so I'm going to show you if you didn't get it at the low. Let's say you started purchasing your shares at around $75. $75 twice produces a 100% return. That is $150. When did the stock hit 150? Within 5 years. So if you started with an investment here at $75, notice it went to 150. That is a 100% return. I would have told you that the stock was on its way, and you would have started building a position at 75, and when it hit 150, you had a 100% return on your money. Okay? Now, let's go back to the Microsoft trade. Again, could we do that in today's terms? Of course, take in 127 or $1,270 in profit, and we would have invested, because you would have known to do this less than 5 years ago, in Home Depot. The shares were trading down here less than 5 years ago at $33, but that's cheating. What if you got your shares at 50? $50 twice is $100. That is a 100% return on your initial investment. Actually, it's more, because today the stock is trading at 124. But let's just say you got it at 50. Started building what we call building your position at 50. The shares turned to 100. That is a 100% return. Why is this so important? Well, follow this next chart and you'll understand the power of the wealthy investor system that I created. And I teach my students to follow this system. Because if I can take $1,000 one-time investment and turn it into $2,000 within 5 years, that'd be pretty good, right? If I can take $10,000 and turn it into $20,000 within 5 years, I'd be building wealth, correct? That means I can take the same exact system and take $100,000 and turn it into $200,000 within a 5-year period. Where am I getting the money from to invest? I'm getting it from my covered calls. This is why covered calls are the single best trade for the non-professional investor ever created, because it gives us money to turn 1,000 into 2,000, 10,000 into 20, $100,000 into $200,000. Now remember, if you're really following the wealthy investor approach, you're taking this money in every month or every week, depending upon how you structure your cover calls. See how our money is growing here? We're actually building wealth. Well, had you known me 5 years ago and we had our relationship, you would have known that the whistle was sounding and that you should have gotten your shares of Google at 300. 300 twice is 600. That's a 100% return. Again, you would have doubled your money. Google's actually trading at $697. The ability to choose good stocks is really important. If you don't know how to do it on your own, if you don't know how to get a 100% return, then you need to follow my trades at WI Trade School. So let's just recap really quick. We took an upward trending stock like Microsoft, made money from Microsoft through what? Cover call writing. We reinvest our cover call premiums in what? Time Warner Cable. Why? Because this war is going on in the cable business as to who's going to give you wireless services. Therefore, it creates a demand for the stock, and the top line revenue is growing here. Home Depot, if you've ever purchased something at a Home Depot to fix up your house or apartment and you don't own the shares, then you're not getting this 100% return. And if you've ever Googled anything on the web and you don't own Google shares, something is wrong. Doubling your money here, as I'm pointing out to you, which is the theme of this video and our goal in the Wealthy Investor Program, we do that through something called superior stock selection, so that we can turn 1,000 into 2,000, 10,000 into 20,000, $100,000 into $200,000 consistently. If you don't have a financial education, it is time for you to join me at Wealthy Investor Trade School. Not only every single week do I show you the hot stocks to invest in and to trade in, I also answer your questions every Thursday. Go over to witradeschool.com, sign up, become a member. You'll love this process. Let me teach you my system and how you can get a financial education, build wealth, and residual income all at the same time. This is Tyrone Jackson, the Wealthy Investor, saying happy trading, and I look forward to answering your questions this week.